Hi, Eddie's Kitchen 친구분들. Today, I will make a delicious recipe called Addictive eggs, MaYak DalGyalJang. After eating it just once, you will not be able to stop eating more. So, let's get started. Leave the eggs at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before boiling to help prevent cracking. Start boiling the water on high heat. While the water is boiling, slice the veggies for the sauce. So, finely chop the onion, the green onions, the red hot peppers, the green hot pepper, and the garlic. When the water starts to boil, add the salt and the vinegar. These ingredients also help to prevent the eggs from breaking. Carefully add the eggs to the boiling water. Once the water starts to boil again, boil the eggs on high heat for about 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, you will have soft-boiled eggs. Addictive eggs are usually soft-boiled, but you can boil them for about 12 minutes to make hard-boiled eggs. If you slowly and carefully spin the eggs with a spoon or spatula, the egg yolks will settle and cook in the center of the eggs. Next, let's make the sauce that is the key point of this dish. But first, are you curious what soy sauce I use? I mainly use Sempio's normal soy sauce and soup soy sauce or a.k.a. soy sauce for my cooking. So I recommend all three of these products. But among these three, the secret of my recipe today is Sempio's soup soy sauce. You can use any other soy sauce you have at home, but if you can, I recommend using this Sempio soup soy sauce for this recipe. Now, add the soy sauce, water, vinegar, and sugar into a bowl and stir it until the sugar is dissolved. Next, add all the prepared veggies and sesame seed into the sauce and mix it again. When the eggs are ready, take them out and soak them in ice water. If you peel the egg a little bit before putting it in the ice water, the egg will peel smoothly later. Leave the eggs in ice water for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, peel the eggs. Now everything is ready. Prepare a glass bowl with a lid to keep the eggs in the refrigerator. Put the boiled eggs in the bowl and pour the sauce over the eggs. And then put it in the refrigerator for about 2 days. After that, you will have delicious MaYak DalGyalJang. I'm very happy to share this delicious recipe with you. Please try my MaYak DalGyalJang recipe, take a picture and share it with me through Instagram or Facebook. Enjoy your delicious MaYak DalGyalJang and see you next time. Bye!